Alright, so my apologies, but I kind of got these two videos, like, I filmed them both at the same time, and I wasn't sure if I was going to make them two videos. I'm at my mom's house right now, and it's after this video was filmed, but I didn't do a proper intro, so I just wanted to say, you know, enjoy the video. We went to, what was it called? Spirit Peaks? Spirit Peaks Raceway. The people that ran it were great, and you're about to watch some S14 clips in the rain. I drove in the rain for a while, then it finally dried up. I let Chelsea take out the S14, and Chelsea also drove the 1J S13. So lots of drifting. Enjoy. This is Chelsea, student for the day, killing it in this Mustang. Getting it, second time drifting ever. It's crazy what kids can do.
Use angle so that he wouldn't bury the wall.
So I knew that you guys would want to see the car on the wall. If the car doesn't hit the wall, it's not even cool. So I did that, but now we've got some work.
But now your car's broken, that's not cool.
Yeah, but it's worth it for the clip. Comment below if you think that Chelsea is full of shit and you guys want to see
2F, dog. You can't see that when your bumper's on.
Oh, no, except for it's just flimsy now.
That's perfect. You have a taillight still?
Yeah. Just missing all the studs. It's been a long time since you've been on here.
Oh yeah, it has been. No.
Well, for like real, not like an FD.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
FD doesn't count.
Through a phone.
One lap left on these tires. Chelsea got down on this one. All right, dude, just finish off the tires.
They're like brand new stuff.
My tires.
Oh, okay. All right.
And then I'll load up.
What?
What's wrong?
I like your clutch stop.
Yeah, it's custom.
What clutch is in this thing?
McLeod twin disc.
Oh my god.
It's the master.
Too small? Be too big, I mean?
Too big, yeah.
All right. Ignition, fuel.
Fans.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye. Alright, well, that was a lot of fun, and big thanks to the guys that run the track, Spear Peaks guys. I met them, and they're really cool, so big shout out to them. The track's a lot of fun. If you live in the Northwest, I definitely suggest you get down here and have a session. It's fast, basically a skid pad with a course laid out on it. The car did good, and tomorrow we're going to PSI to get it tuned again, retuned, just work out any bugs that there were, go over it, throw it on the lift. I've got some fixing to do here, which is a bit unfortunate. Yeah, Tucker's been a big help this week, and I'm happy to be here. I'm excited to go see my mom. Stay tuned for the rest of the week's videos, and thanks for watching. Peace.